Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to this Sunday service this morning. So this morning we had Hatsumairi service, Hatsumairi ceremony. Hatsumairi literally means the person's first visit to the temple, first visitation to the temple. So, but usually we say infant presentation. So usually, most of the time, we have the baby, this is our newborn baby's first time to visit the temple. Then we celebrate those babies' birth, and also those baby came to the temple. Then now they are kind of embraced by Amida Buddha's wisdom and compassion. So this is the one reason to have this Hatsumairi service. Then in the service, I presented the onenju. That's a small, very cute onenju. Then Monto Shikisho. Then the next one was Chokyo. Chokyo. Chokyo means receiving of the Dharma, receiving of the Sutra. So that means Chokyo. So this morning, you can see there's 4 scrolls. So when you are facing to this altar, write 2 scrolls, Larger Sutra, volume 1 and volume 2. The second from left is a Contemplation Sutra. Then very left is a Amida Sutra. So these sutra, Larger Sutra, Contemplation Sutra, and Amida Sutra is the sutras and teachings we are following as a Jodo Shinshu follower. So then today I just use the one scroll. If I have a big hands, I would like to hold all 4 scrolls to do the Chokyo presentation, but I only have the smaller hands. I only use 1 scroll. So which was Larger Sutra volume 1. So this is one of the important scrolls. Among these 4 scrolls, I would say Larger Sutra volume 1 is the most important scroll because Amida Buddha's 48 vows is here. Then we chanted Jusege this morning. Jusege is also Larger Sutra volume 1. So that's why I use this scroll for, I take refuge in Buddha, I take refuge in Dharma, I take refuge in Sangha. I did the Chokyo presentation. Then I did the presentation of the certificate, then the recitation of the pledge. So again, I'd like to congratulate Mio-chan and parents, Memi-san and friends, congratulations. Then they are not here, but Nagisa-chan and parents, Seiya-san and Mari-san, congratulations on your participation of the Hatsumairi ceremony today. So cute, huh? 8 months and 2 months. Do you remember when you were that age? No? No? Well, maybe Dharma school students maybe still remember. They're still young enough. No? So, everybody was a baby like that, right? Even me, I was baby 40-something years ago. I don't know if you can imagine that or not, but, well, I'd like to ask Mio-chan and Nagisa-chan, what did you do before you were born? What you were doing in the mother's womb? I remember my son Yuya was kicking a lot. So my wife Ayana was sometimes saying, ouch, ouch, ouch. So probably he was practicing what? Kickboxing? Karate before he was born. So yeah, if they can speak, they maybe still remember what they used to do before they were born. So today I'd like to introduce one metaphor to teach us the truth of our life. So I learned this metaphor from my father. So there's no title, but this is, I titled this, before we were born, we were told 4 rules, 4 understanding to live in this world. 4 rules to live in this world. So the first one, so before we were born, we were told the first one, you have only one life. You have only one life. You cannot have 2. You cannot have 3. You have only one life. You cannot repeat your life. Please remember, okay, this is the first rule, first understanding. Number 2, you live your life alone. You live your life alone. You are born alone and die alone. So this is the passage from the Raja Sutra too. You are born alone and die alone. So you cannot live another person's life. Nobody can live your life. You have to live your life. So this is number 2. You live your life alone. So some other people may support you, but you have to live your life. Number 3, your life will end someday. Your life will end someday. Your life has an end. You cannot live forever. No one can live forever. Your life will end someday. This is the number 3. Then number 4, you cannot know when your life will end. You cannot know when your life will end. You may live your life for more than 100 years. You may live your life for less than a year or less than a day. Nobody knows. Nobody knows how long your life will live. These are the 4. So the first one was, you have only one life. 2, you live your life alone. 3, your life will end someday. The 4, you cannot know when your life will end. And then we are all asked, do you understand? Do you understand these rules, this understanding of your life? Then, after we all said, I agree, then we are born in this world. We are born in this world. So this is a metaphor my father taught me for understanding, for rules to live in this world. So Buddhism, Amida Buddha's teaching, is a teaching to think about our life, my life, our own life, knowing about my life, awakening to the truth of my life. So this is the Buddhism. So it is the time, when we think about this, we experience the birth, death, aging, and becoming ill. So these are the 4 important times for us to think about our life. So today we are having the infant presentation ceremony. So this is also one important time to think about our life. The funeral service, memorial service is also the one. Then we also celebrate our founder's birthday, Gotan service, Shakyamuni Buddha's birthday. So at these occasions, we listen to the Buddha Dharma and learn what our life is and awaken to the reality of our life. So today I wanted to introduce these 4 understanding of our life. So please think about this. Please remember for these 4 rules of this life to live in this world. So on this occasion, please reflect upon your life and your loved one's life. So also then, I would like to make one announcement using this time. So this is a October 14th newly published soy sauce. Then these are written in Japanese, but the front page you can see familiar face. Then if you open the page 8 and 9, so whole 2 pages, the pictures and articles about myself and the Seattle Betsu Buddhist Temple. So, what Soy Sauce was saying, hopefully someone can translate this into English. So, well, those who can read and understand Japanese, please enjoy. Those who cannot understand Japanese, you can enjoy watching the pictures. So at the first front page, the title, I would say, 仏の教えを広める開教師として今伝えたいこと。As a 開教師 minister, what I want to deliver, what I want to convey to the people. That is the title now. Then inside, I just focused the two things, what I want to tell people. The one is 柔軟な心, flexible heart. で、広い目, wide open view. So these two are the most important things to me. I want to deliver, I want to convey. So it is nice to have lots of knowledge, but in Jodo Shinshu, in Buddhism, I feel the flexible mind, flexible heart, and wide open view. That's important. If I use the technical terms, flexible heart means compassion. We can learn flexible heart from Buddha's compassion. Wide open view is a wisdom, Buddha's wisdom. We can learn wide open view from the Buddha's wisdom. So I'd like to emphasize these two things. So Dharma School, Dharma Exchange, Parents Dharma Exchange, Japanese programs, lots of programs are going on at this temple. So, but in the center, or foundation of our understanding, we are here to try to cultivate the Junan na kokoro, flexible heart, and wide open view. That's the reason why we are here. Then, to cultivate this, we listen to the teachings of Amida Buddha. We listen to the teachings of the Amida Buddha. Well, anyway, yeah, just please, I'm the famous person now. If you want me to do the autograph, yeah, please let me know. I won't charge. Okay, I'd like to close my Dharma message. Please join me in Gassho. Namo Amida Butsu, Namo Amida Butsu, Namo Amida Butsu, Namo Amida Butsu, Namanda, Namanda, Namanda. Thank you.